Are you ready to unlock the limitless potential of online earning? Imagine the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss, working from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere else in the world, and earning money doing something you love. With the power of the internet at your fingertips, you have access to a world of opportunities and the ability to create a life of financial abundance and independence. Imagine the thrill of waking up every day knowing that you are in control of your own financial destiny, and that the sky is the limit when it comes to your earning potential. So why wait? Take the first step towards your dream life today and start making money online like a boss. Welcome to our video. ChatGPT is an AI language model that has been trained to provide assistance in a variety of tasks. In this video, we will explore the various ways in which ChatGPT can help you make money, regardless of your background or skill level. So, without further ado, let's get started. Writing articles for blogs and websites. If you have a passion for writing, you can leverage ChatGPT to make money by creating articles for blogs and websites. Many companies and individuals are in need of high-quality content to attract and engage their audience. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas for your articles, provide research materials and even suggest headlines. You can then use this information to craft compelling articles that are not only informative but also SEO-friendly. Some of the popular platforms to find writing gigs include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Transcription services. Transcription services are in high demand, and ChatGPT can help you get started in this field. Whether it is medical, legal or general transcription, you can use ChatGPT to transcribe audio and video recordings into text. The best part is that you don't need any prior experience or specialized knowledge to get started. There are several transcription platforms like Rev, Scribie, and TranscribeMe that offer work opportunities to freelancers. Language translation services. If you are fluent in multiple languages, you can use ChatGPT to make money by providing translation services. With the help of ChatGPT, you can easily translate documents, emails, and even social media posts. Some of the popular platforms to find translation gigs include 1 Hour Translation, Gango, and Translators Town. Virtual assistant services. Virtual assistant services are becoming increasingly popular, and ChatGPT can help you become a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you will be responsible for a variety of tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing social media accounts, and handling customer service. ChatGPT can help you with these tasks by providing reminders, drafting emails, and even creating social media posts. Some of the popular platforms to find virtual assistant gigs include Zirtual, Fancy Hands, and Upwork. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can use ChatGPT to become an online tutor. With the help of ChatGPT, you can create lesson plans, provide study materials, and even grade assignments. Online tutoring is in high demand, especially with the rise of e-learning platforms. Some of the popular platforms to find online tutoring gigs include TutorMe, Chegg, and Wyzant. ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool to help you make money in 2023. Whether you have a passion for writing, transcription, translation, virtual assistants or teaching, ChatGPT can help you get started. The best part is that you don't need any prior experience or specialized knowledge to get started. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the various ways in which you can use ChatGPT to make money today. No matter how difficult or daunting a task may seem, always remember that you are capable of achieving greatness. It may require hard work, dedication, and persistence, but the rewards are worth it. So, don't give up on your dreams and aspirations. Keep pushing forward, even in the face of adversity, and you will eventually achieve the success you deserve. Remember, the only limits are the ones we set for ourselves. So, aim high, believe in yourself, and never give up on your dreams. You got this. It's important to stay positive and surround yourself with people who support and encourage you. When you face challenges or setbacks, don't let them bring you down. Instead, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Every obstacle you overcome is a step closer to your goals. Another important aspect of motivation is setting achievable goals for yourself. Break down your larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This will help you stay focused and motivated, as you'll be able to see progress along the way. Celebrate each small achievement, and use it as fuel to keep moving forward. Remember, motivation is not something that comes naturally to everyone. It's okay to feel unmotivated or discouraged at times. The important thing is to acknowledge these feelings and take steps to address them. Whether it's talking to a friend or loved one, seeking professional help, or taking a break to recharge, it's important to prioritize your mental health and well-being. Motivation is key to achieving success in any aspect of life. Stay positive, surround yourself with supportive people, set achievable goals, and don't give up in the face of challenges. With hard work and perseverance, you can achieve anything you set your mind to.